So let me quickly send this one out to Nigerians in diaspora, especially those people who are obediently compliant. Yeah. Some of us, for one reason or the other, will not be able to go to Nigeria to vote for Obi in the next coming general election. My brother, Mafo Rara, if you can't go home, don't force yourself, don't hustle yourself. There is a way out. Make sure you mobilize at least minimum 3 people from your family and friends to vote for him. Now take a look at the statistics. As of today, Nigeria has over 6 million people abroad. Most of these people are for Obi. More than 50% of them are for Obi. Let's even take 50%. That makes it 3 million. Now, at 3 million, if you as a person can mobilize 3 people to vote for Obi, that's going to be 3 times 3. That is 9 million. So we are bringing 9 million votes into Obi's coffers. Think about it. It makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah. So if you can't go, just make sure you support them, you mobilize them, you finance them, and you ginger them. If you keep, all these things might not even cost you up to $50 to do. And at the end of the day, the result is going to be great. And the good thing is that you're not really doing it for them. My brother, you're also doing it for yourself. It's also for your own security when you go home, so that you can walk freely and be happy. So that you can walk around the world with your passport as a Nigerian. And outside that, Omoyami, when the people for Nigeria, they broke, now your phone go hot. When they read them, now you go hear them. So my guy, help them to help you. Help yourself by voting Obi and telling somebody about it. It's doable, it's achievable, and I'm telling you, you are getting there. So Mafo, don't let anybody tell you are not doing well. You are doing very, very well. Obedient for life. One love.